Introducing the OneTouch A3 video door phone, offering high-level security at a low-cost investment. Designed especially for Indian homes. Let's open the box and see what's inside. The first thing you'll find is the user manual, making installation and setup quick and easy. Next is the premium 7-inch indoor monitor. Its sleek design and modern finish blend beautifully with any home's interior while keeping you connected to your entrance. Now, here's the outdoor video doorbell, the highlight of the A3. With its elegant premium finish and sophisticated design, it not only enhances your home's entrance but also delivers dependable security every day. Also included is the angular mounting bracket, allowing you to position the doorbell at the perfect viewing angle for maximum visibility. And finally, you'll find the complete installation accessory kit. Everything you need comes neatly packed in one box, making installation simple and convenient. The OneTouch A3 video door phone combines premium design, reliable security, and exceptional value. OneTouch A3, built to last, built for every single home in India.